Start your journey towards a successful career in 2025. Contact us today to learn more about our courses and enrollment opportunities. Welcome greetings from Fortress Institute of Training Solutions Private Limited, Hopes College, Pilamedu, Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu, India, celebrating 15 years of excellence in CADD, CAM, Best CNC Courses Certificates 2025. Why choose us? 15 years of industry excellence, 150,000 students trained globally, engineering courses with 100 placement. Record, no one CADD, CAM, Best CNC Courses Training Institute in Coimbatore. Courses we offer, CADD, CAM, Best CNC Courses Software Training, MasterCAM Solutions for Manufacturing, Mechanical Product Design, Software Development Courses, 2D 3D Animation and VFX Training, Certificate in Architectural Design Training, 3D Animation, Storytelling, and Character Design Training, Python for Beginners Certificate Programs Training. Why choose Fortress Institute of Training? Learn the latest software from Autodesk. Certified professionals, customized training options, classroom training and online class available, state-of-the-art facilities, 1 computer per student for optimal learning. Limited time offers. Get 40% off. Call 956660890 now. Upcoming classes get 30% off. Upgrade your skills and choose the right path for a successful career with job-oriented courses to become a design engineer. Visit us, fortressinstitutetraining.com.